Nori, ready to paint?
How much?
I think you may have to open the.
Yeah, let's.
Yeah.
It might be better.
Yeah,
if we
yeah, yeah.
open it.
You
Let's
haven't.
open it.
You gotta take the thing off.
Because then you can just pour it in the cup.
Oh.
Oh, this one's big. This one looks a little big.
Seemed like it wasn't even. I thought maybe there was
You
a
want to
top.
try it?
This one looks a little thick too.
Pour that one in. Just squeeze it.
Dang.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a special kind of paint.
That's neat. You might have to.
I don't know if Daddy David knew.
That's
Or maybe
good.
y'all got these $100
We
store.
did. We did get them.
Good.
That's
It
good.
probably expired.
All right, don't lean on that. It might flip over. Sweetie. Yeah, don't lean on the
This
table.
pink paint is thick. You think we can add like water to it? No.
Yeah.
Paint thinner.
Paint thinner, okay.
Yeah, I got some paint thinner. Yeah, see, that's why I want to go in and just get the regular paint. 'Cause I didn't know
Yeah.
how that was going to turn out.
I mean,
Pour it in that one.
Oh, only some of them. This is good.
Yeah,
The purple
so
one is
it's
good.
that brand. Oh, the blue one looked good too. So I guess it was just the pink one.
Pink is probably common. Oh, but this is a different box. This acrylic. Try this one, Nori. The black one. These are all great colors.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. She makes some real. Oh, careful, Nori. You look too fast.
ooh.
Oh yeah, the pink one is the only one that's
Yeah.
bad.
Look,
Wiggle it.
the pink and the black one is wiggly.
The black one is fine.
No, the black one
you
is
want it
fine.
to be more liquidy
Yeah.
like these.
So maybe you could just go with 3. Oh no, but her favorite color is pink. isn't
Yeah,
it?
she gonna use that pink. Yep.
Dang. You didn't need that much water.
All right, pour it in the middle. Go ahead. All of it. All of it, baby. All of it. All right, that's good. Good here. Now pour this all in the middle.
Oh, you should be able to bend that a little bit long. Oh, you know what? That one has the lip.
That's it.
That looks like an eggshell.
It does. It does.
You're doing your initial. Your initial. Go up.
Not so high.
It's okay. Just let her do
Yeah,
whatever.
Got it? Go. Sideways. There you black. Come over here. Come over here. Come on. At your feet. Over there. No, here. Get out. Blow all the colors. Get closer. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Just like that. Just like that.
There you go.
Spread it.
There you go.
Spread it, Nori. Spread that.
You're gonna do it. There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
All the way. All the way.
There you go.
Yeah.
Detail.
There you go.
Go closer.
Get closer. Closer. Right there. There you go. Now, down here. Come on out. There you go. There you go. Don't touch it though. Don't touch it, Nora. Don't touch it.
There you go. Good job. Isn't that cool?
it is.
Yep. All right. Woo-hoo.
Look at the one that turquoise.
All right. Let it go. Spread the pink. There we go.
Nori, good job.
I got it. Now spread that pink.
Good job, no.
Oh yeah, this is the band.
It is.
All right, good.
I would spread this blue.
Yeah. Come over here and spread this out.
Look at that turquoise.
Watch out for that pink. Come right here. Yeah. There you go.
Everywhere. Oh, like y'all tripping. Leave me alone. Yeah, hold on, Megan. Hold on. Correct this. I'm gonna correct this up. It's drying. You gotta stop. It's drying.
All right.
Can we touch it?
No, it's
You're
wet.
gonna get your hands. That's a ooh.
I thought it was dry.
You want it to dry. Not right now, but
Yeah.
Okay. That's smart. Hopefully we got enough of that.
I know. Now we just gonna have to make do what do.
Mm-hmm. Well, that ain't enough, yeah. You might have to use the blow dryer to move the rest of it around.
It's not gonna
You want me to come help?
yeah.
Look at that. Stay away.
Hold on, baby.
Oh, that's gonna be nice. Go to the top, yeah. Good.
Y'all, this paint is pink. Okay. Pink.
Oh, this is a perfect spot.
Kinda don't even have to blow dry this.
Wow, your painting looks
No, because you
beautiful.
wanted the spin. You get it?
Yeah.
It's for experience. Wow, it's so beautiful, Mom.
It does.
And it looks like a galaxy.
Maybe put the one color in one spot and let it blow out at the sun and stuff. But anyway, do it the way you want it. Chill.
Wow,
That
yours,
much blue.
yours just looks similar just like mine. I got more colors. Look, Mommy. Look, Mom.
Hold on, baby.
Wait, now look. Now look, Mom.
I see.
I did a good job.
Mm-hmm.
Look, now look.
Go on, Philip.
Look, Mom.
some. See, your niches in this thing.
Pick out some of the edges.
We didn't have enough white paint.
That's the idea, though. It's so cute.
Actually, it's almost like over the end in there.
Yeah, that's what I tried to do, but I didn't have enough paint. I wanted to fill it out more, but
But you get the idea.
yeah.
There you go. Sometimes you hold it straight over the top of it, hold it straight up and down, and push it. Hold it straight up and down and push it. There you go, closer. There you go. And then move it around, side to side. There you go. There you go. And then fan it. Once you get move it, then fan it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And like I said, in the shade, the sun is baking the paint.
Yeah, the sun is baking me.
Who's baking you?
The sun.
Why? Because it's hot. It is.
All right, you guys, the final result. Shout out to Pops for the help. So that one is mine, that one is Nori's. I don't know if you guys can tell, I tried to do a little in right there for Nori, and Nori just poured hers on there. So yeah, next time we'll probably do a better paint. We will probably not do this in the sun because the sun was baking all of us up. It was definitely baking me up. Being out in the sun is going to make the paint dry faster, which was why it was challenging to get the white paint to cover the whole canvas. But yeah, other than that, we were just having fun, you know, just something to do, something for her to do while we're in town. And yeah, you guys give this a try and see what you guys can come up with. Nori, did you have fun doing your painting?
Mm-hmm.
Did you like how it turned out?
Mm-hmm.
You do? Are you tired?
No.
You're not?
I'm kind of tired.
Are you sleepy?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Was it hot out there?
Yeah.
It was. You want to go back to your TV show?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So see you later.
See you later.